Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. Now, welcome to your maths class. Before starting today's topic, let's revise what we have learnt earlier. In our previous classes, we have learnt how to read and write 4-digit numbers. Let's revise it once again. For example, we have a number, 4-digit number. Now, how do we read this 4-digit number? It can be read accurately and easily with the help of places. So, our first step is we have to put the places on the number, and we have to start putting the places from the right side. From here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now, it is very easy to read this number. It is 2374. Since has been told to you that tens and ones are always taken together, so its number name is 2374. Next, we have learnt in this chapter about the place values. So again, place values can be written accurately with the help of places. Our first step here again is to put the places on the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now, if someone asks you, what is the place value of 3 in this number? So the place value of 3 in this number is it hundreds? No, it is 300s. Hundreds is only place. But when place value is asked, it is 300s. Or in figures you can write like this, 300. Similarly, if someone asks you what is the place value of 4, it is 4 ones. What is it? 4 ones or simply 4. Again, place value of 2. Here, place value of 2 is thousands. No, it is 2000s. Or in figures we can write like this. So this was about how to read and write 4-digit number and about the place values. Now next, moving to our today's topic. Today's topic is we have to do counting of 4-digit number. So again, while doing counting, just keep in mind as tens and ones are read together, they are taken together. In counting also, we will do the counting of only tens and ones. Rest of the numbers, starting numbers will be same. We will let them the same number. We will keep them same. For example, we have to write next 3 numbers after 2374. So what will be the next 3 numbers? We will write 2, 3, the same numbers 2, 3. Then do the counting of 74. After 74, what comes? 75. Similarly, next number, write initial numbers, same, 23. After 75, what comes? 76. Again, starting numbers will be same, 23. After 74 comes 75, after 75, 76, now after 76, 77. So in 4-digit numbers, the counting will be similar as it is done in 3-digit numbers. Here we have to do the counting of only tens and ones. Starting numbers, hundreds and thousands will remain same. We will not change them. Thank you.